Hello, fellow atheists. Welcome to my lecture on New Testament history. Today, we will discuss the fact that Joseph of Arimathea was a fictional character. This is proven by the fact that the name Arimathea is a pun on the phrase, best disciple. This would be a staggering coincidence if it were actually true. Since staggering coincidences don't happen, this proves Joseph of Arimathea didn't exist. Any questions?
I don't have any questions, but I have some observations. First of all, the city of Arimathea can be identified with ancient Ramah, which was later named in other ways in various sources. Second, the Hebrews were really into making puns. So if Joseph was from the actual town of Ramah, then it would not take much of a stretch for a Jewish speaker of Greek like Matthew to make the pun. I mean, there's plenty of examples of biblical authors doing that. So, there you go. Far from suggesting that Joseph was a fiction, the punning actually implies that Joseph, as a best disciple, was an early and well-known figure, recognized by the Jewish Greek speakers of the church who, in line with the Jewish tendency to make puns, came up with this clever joke which became firmly implanted in the diverse gospel tradition. The pun ironically serves as a commemoration of Joseph's role.
Are there any more questions?
Yeah, I'll ask one. Why do you lecture wearing that clown outfit?
What clown outfit?
This one is all yours.